roasted chicken salad. Easy with leftovers. Life with me, Gina Marie. I took all that leftover chicken that I made with the potatoes and chicken the other day in the oven because it was way too much for the two of us. And I made a quick fix chicken salad that's really good. And you can have it any time of the day or night. It's always good. It'll be good for a couple days in my fridge. And I don't think it'll last that long. Have a good day and enjoy this little recipe. I'm sure everybody has their own little ingredients and makes it their own way. This is just one way I make it. Have a good day. Strive to be happy. Here we go. We've got 2 cups of chicken left over from the potatoes and chicken I made the other day. I have a video. You can look back at it. We made so much for 2 of us. We had enough for leftovers. So I cut it up in little chunks and I put it in a little bowl here. Thank you for my nice spatula, my friends that send me nice things. Thank you. I'm going to throw some celery and some red onion, salt and pepper, half a cup or so of mayo, a squirt or 2 of lemon, a little parsley. And I like to put some small, delicious apple cubes in there, like about a 1/4 cup. It gives it some sweetness. Or you can use the tart ones if you like. Let's start with the celery, and we're going to just put it all together here. A little onion, red onion, not too much. Get the apple going in there. And we'll get some fresh parsley if we have it on hand. You can pretty much put it whatever you like. Olives. Sometimes I do peppers, roasted peppers, and I use an olive oil instead of mayo and a little lemon. It's a lighter chicken salad. It's real good too. So we'll get the mayo in there. Just regular mayonnaise. Now, if you watched my potato and chicken recipe, you'll notice it had a lot of herbs on it, and the spices are still in there, so we really don't need to add but a little bit of salt and pepper just on the top there. We're going to stir that really good. Just kind of fold it in. This is nice for any kind of chicken that you have left over. Just chop it up and put it aside, and you can keep this in the refrigerator for a couple, 2-3 days, but it doesn't last that long, trust me. I think it's better the next day once it's all mixed up. It's nice and mixed. Celery. Some people put dill in there. I mean, you can get pretty creative with it. So, let me have a taste. Well, not off the spatula. I better put that back. But boy, I sure do want some. I like to eat it on Italian bread or with some crostinis. But I'm going to take a bite. A little bit of apple here. This is going to be good. Yummy. And that's it. Serve it however you like, plain on bread and a pita. Isn't it lovely? It's delicious. And it stores really good too. Glad you liked it. Hope you like it. Hey, thanks for watching the chicken salad video today. And remember, strive to be happy. See you soon. Strive to be happy, all right.